Hello y'all, I'm Kelsey.
I'm about to mess up my hair again.
So in my last video, I dyed my hair yellow and I became corn, and as much as I loved being corn, I did change my hair after about 2 months of being corn. Corn. I'm also just a wee bit getting over a cold because, as you may or may not know, I live in Florida.
Into the screen that way!
And it's reached the chilling temperatures of 69.
Nice.
I split dyed my hair because I thought the only thing that I have never done with my hair before was split dye it. So I did a nice little poll. And everyone said I should. So I did. I goofed. And it ended up horrible because it looked horrible. And I didn't record me fixing it, and I still hate it, and I hated it from the second it happened. Hated the colors, and they look like the Joker, and everyone kept telling me it looked like the Joker's colors. And that's not what I was going for at all, and I realized I should have just followed my heart, and instead of doing what everyone said I should do what I really wanted to do, which was not that. So today I'm gonna chop off all my hair. Crazy. Woo-hoo. If I'm gonna chop off my hair, I'm gonna dye it a different color, of course, because we're over the split dye. We did it, we loved it for not at all. It's dead to us. We didn't love it, we lived it, we didn't love it, we lived it, we didn't love it. And now we are moving on. It's a new phase in our life.
Have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I'm not really sure how to get green out of my hair. The internet said for me to use dandruff shampoo and vitamin C. And then I'm gonna go over it with an ion smoky amethyst. We're just gonna go ahead and do the damn thing. You need to go ahead and smash this up. So I put it all in a bag and then I'm just gonna hammer it. Hammer. Ooh. Oh my God. Alrighty. This is baby. Frances is her real grown-up name. If anyone knows a reference, let me know. Anyway, so this is baby. That's the introduction to her. The kitten has already caused much chaos. Oh, and kind of looks like throw up. Like that short-ish. I don't think I like that. It's nice and damp right now. All right. You know, we're looking good.
That is not correct.
Ha 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 ha. This is editing Kelsey. I'm realizing that I gave no explanation as to why I am slapping pink all over my hair. Unfortunately, the dandruff shampoo and vitamin C did virtually nothing. I decided to put my 3rd grade color wheel skills to use. All I had on hand was some magenta, not red, but since it was more aqua, not green, I feel like it would work, and then I went to sleep, disappointed in my life. Live, love, laugh, continue on.
Good morning, beautiful. What are you doing? Good morning. Don't do that. Oh my God. We're on day 2 of trying to become hot. I can't even open my naked wombat eyes. After how ugly I was in my last video, I told myself I would never let me go back to that, but here I am. As you can see, there are still some green hues, but it's nowhere near as bad as it was. I feel pretty confident putting the dye on top of these colors. I'm literally just gonna smear the dookie on my hair. As you can tell, I've taken a little bit of time to myself to re-emerge as the beauty that I naturally am. So amazingly, my plan actually worked. I feel like I see it a little bit. I expected it to look a lot worse, and yeah. So I guess we're gonna cut it. Does anyone else have one of these little thingies? Time for the big chop. Fun fact, I always hated My hair's short. I chopped it all off when I was younger, and it was one of the biggest regrets of my life. So I'm honestly not convinced that this is gonna turn out good at all. Like, I don't know what I'm doing.
You can pull it down, but it's kind of hard because these rubber bands are really...
I'm gonna start completely over. The panic won't affect you at all, I thought. Seems to be affecting me quite a lot. Perfect. Beautiful execution. Awesome. Now I'm just gonna do one of these boys to get it out of the way. This is not where I'm actually going to be cutting it. Awesome. Once again, marvelous execution. I'm perfect at everything. Oh shit, I'm awesome again. I'm just so great, and I love my life. Here-ish. Never give up. Even when people tell you this is stupid and you're an idiot. Right there-ish. Oh my god, beautiful. Oh, that looks so good. Oh my god. That's pretty good, right? Right? Oh. Okay. Okay, we're walking, we're walling. Not feeling like super confident, but I'm feeling minor confidence. Trying to make sure that the actual bottom is even. Not necessarily like the thickness is not gonna be even of the rubber band, but like where it sits at the bottom. I think that's pretty good. I have all of my hair sectioned off, so now I'm just gonna go through and wrap little ties around this part so that I don't get hair everywhere, and that I have nice little bundles that I can make a broom out of. All right, I guess there's nothing left to it but to do it. Okay, all right. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. How did I chop it off like that? Can't even chop it off evenly. I'm a failure. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Oh. I don't want to do this anymore. Okay, this back one, I don't know. I feel like it's not, I don't think I did that one right. So we're gonna skip over to this one instead. Oh shit. No, okay, it's kind of right. Okay. Nothing to it but to do it. Oh my fudging god. Well, the fun thing is, it's done. I'm really not crying. It really is just allergies. We're not hating it, bitch. Maybe I am crying. I can't tell. Now let's see what happens when I take these out. Oh my god. So much better and so unreal. Okay, I'm really not mad about it now. I'm just so happy I don't hate it, because the last time that I had a bob, I kind of hated it. Yeah. While we're here, I don't need anyone to judge me, but I don't know what this thing is and I don't like it. It just shouldn't be there. It's not natural. Sorry. And this is where I went wrong. I think I look stupid now. So honestly, I don't know where to go from here. I swear to God, the girl I watched the video of just said like, oh yeah, it's like good, it's fine. I'll fix it tomorrow if I need any fixing. I definitely need some fixing.
Few minutes later.
Now, come on, y'all. I almost think I should do it shorter, but we're not going to. We're gonna live with it how it is first. All right. Okay. Oh no, I need my mom. How bad is it? I have so much anxiety sweat right now. I smell so bad. Okay, so listen to me. I have a plan. Not a very thought out plan, but it's a plan. Taking the hair and pulling it tight down to the bottom, you can see where it needs to be cut. In theory. And then I would kind of cut up into it. Obviously, I don't know how to cut hair, and I don't know what I'm doing right now to try to fix it. Feeling still confident. I think the only problem I'm having with it is I don't think that it's even like right here. I feel like it's sloping a little. In general, I'm really not mad about it. I am thinking I should really stop doing whatever's happening right now, but I know I can't. But for the most part, I'm pretty happy as I keep cutting, Wow. All right. Currently, I am trying to do the splits just so I can fit into this camera angle. I'm too lazy to get my other tripod, so I put my tripod on a chair and my cat keeps jumping up there trying to knock it all over and ruin my life. Anyway, this is a win for me. I haven't had a lot of hair wins recently. I goofed. I think there's definitely some unevenness and some things that need to be fixed, possibly by my roommate tonight. Or maybe I'm just gonna say it's good enough.
This is editing Kelsey, and it was good enough.
The amount of struggles I went through with the color and just slapping the magenta on it and slapping more magenta into the purple, it was basically like pink by the time I was done with it. I don't know how this color has happened. I want to thank the color wheel. I'm going to go ahead and link down below. Please don't do this to me. I am going to link down below the girl whose hair video I followed when cutting my hair. I think it worked pretty well. It is going to look a little bit better, I think, styled. If you ever think of anything interesting you want to see that you think someone else isn't knowing, or you want to see me do it within reason, then let me know. Not required, but recommended. Go ahead and follow my Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, subscribe. Thanks y'all. Thanks y'all. Thanks y'all. Thanks y'all.